Hello, I'm Sarah. I love painting. Let's create something beautiful. Today, we are going to draw a Christmas tree to decorate our home for these holidays. First, draw a star. Draw two big triangles for the shape of the tree. Then, add 2 or 3 curved layers for the branches, like soft waves. Draw the trunk at the bottom, and in the middle of the tree, add 2 big circles for the eyes and a smiling mouth. Color the tree light green. Color the trunk brown, the star yellow, and the ornaments with fun colors like red, blue, and yellow. The eyes can be blue or black, and the mouth red or pink. Use a slightly darker green to add shadows along the edges and under the branches. Add small light dots to make the tree look bright and decorated. Finish by adding highlights and shadows. And that's it! Your Christmas tree will look happy, colorful, and adorable. Hello, my name is Brushy, and I want to help you learn how to draw beautiful and adorable things. Today, I want to teach you the shapes. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, diamond.
Hello! I am the Christmas tree. Many years ago, people decorated me to celebrate life and joy during winter. That's why today, I am filled with lights and decorations to make Christmas happier and brighter.
Goodbye! Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.